This image converter is perfect for converting all kinds of image formats. Let's see how to convert JPG, PNG and HEIC files in a batch with a single click. Hello everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. The most commonly used image formats are JPG, PNG and HEIC. JPG is a versatile format that is supported by all kinds of devices. It has high quality with manageable file sizes. Many cameras and photos take photos in JPG, but it does have some flaws such as a more compressed nature, which means that you can't tweak them limitlessly. It also doesn't support transparency in images, which doesn't make it suitable for certain graphic design works. PNG has a lower compression rate, therefore these files are larger in size. They also support transparency, which means this format is more suitable for all kinds of graphic design works. This format is Apple's own image format. It's a very efficient image format that it has a high compression rate but while maintaining image quality. For example, when on your iPhone you have your image format for the camera set to high efficiency, this is the format it's going to use. If it's set to most compatible, it will use JPG. Okay, naturally there are countless other kinds of image formats, but fortunately the image converter in the UniConverter supports all that you may come across, and it converts them in a batch, so let's see how to use it. In case you don't have the UniConverter yet, be sure to download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Once you have it opened up, you'll find the image converter if you click right here on the image menu, and then it's right over here. Now import your images. Okay, so you have two ways to set up the output attributes. You can either set them up individually in case you don't wish to convert all of the image files to the same format. But if you do, you can set up one universal output format for all of the files. This is basically all the settings you need to do for converting image files. Very simple. However, the image converter in the UniConverter has some extra features. For instance, you can change the image resolution and quality. You may do this individually or collectively. And you can also crop the images and apply some basic color correction settings. But after you're done with settings, simply choose an output folder and then click on Start All. The conversion process will be lightning fast. That is it. I personally really like this image converter because I very often need to convert image files for videos, and it's an easy and fast way to do so. Alright, we appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, but I'm gonna thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.